Hi, good day guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's me again, Norvin. So as usual, in today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng sapatos. I have here 3 pairs with me na binili ko last year, pero hindi naman siya ganun katagal, like December last year. And the other 2 pairs, I bought it this year. So, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's talk about this pair. First is the Air Jordan 11. The colourways. So, alam natin na 11 is one of the hypest sneaker shoe ng Jordan line. So, this colourway 11, so first released 2001 and nirelease siya noong 2010 at 2021 December last year, that was released na. Ito nga yung nakuha ko. So, let's see and have a look this pair of shoe. So actually sinasabi nila, this pair, it's not an OG colorway. Pero si MJ, hindi siya tumigil na gamitin to when he was spending his time. Bago yung last retirement niya sa Washington Wizards. So he keeps playing with this colourways, with this colorway. And aside from that, meron din siyang cool gray na ginamit during Washington Wizards, which is the Air Jordan 9 cool gray. So, I have that pair as well, pero medyo luma na. I remember I bought that when I moved here in Australia, but that was 2013. Nabili ko pa siya Boxing Day. Pero I remember as well na bago ko mag-move dito sa Australia, nagpunta ako sa Nike, sa Robinson's Galleria. So, nakita ko yung pair na yun, kaya lang on that year, kasabay din ata niya nirelease yung Air Jordan 9 Black Olive. So, yun ang gusto kong actually colorway, kaya hindi ko binili yung Air Jordan 9 colorway. And then, nung nag-move ako dito sa Australia, December 2013, that was Boxing Day. So, nirelease nga yung Air Jordan 13. Ayun, nakakuha rin ako ng Air Jordan 9, I'm sorry, Air Jordan 9 cool gray. So, let's talk about this shoe. So, obviously, same with the patent leather, the gray, and yung kanyang IC sole, outsole. Pero kung titingnan nyo dito sa Air Jordan 11 Concords ko, so parang dito sa cool gray is more darker yung pagka-blue niya. I don't know, maybe this one is like an old shoe. This was released 2000... I think this is 3 years ago when you released yung Concords. Pero this one, so medyo may pagka darker yung blue niya compared dito sa Concords ko na nandito. And as you can see, yes, the Jumpman logo and the number 23 on the back. Pero this time, ito parang, I think ko, a new back or leather. Pero kung titingnan nyo, parang siyang new back. Yan, yung materials na ginamit. And, nung nirelease to, I was so lucky because nagpunta ako sa, nasa city kami ng family ko. So, hindi ko talaga intention na kumuha kasi, I know, it's sold out na day ng release. Pero I was lucky, like a week after the release, nakakuha ko. One of my friends, yung Darren, shoutout sa'yo, Darren. So, siya yung admin ng sneaker group dito sa Australia na Jordan Heads. So, no, si Guy, a good man. So, lagi niya akong tinutulungan makakuha ng pairs. Even some of my pairs here, siya yung tumulong sa akin. Like this shadow ones. So, tinulungan niya ako makakuha ng pair na yan. Even the trees, this black cement. Shoutout sa'yo. Well, Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray, last released December 2021. There you go. Okay, and then ang next pair na ipapakita natin, ito rin isa dito sa mga favorite kong Jordan line series. Yeah, the first one is this, the Air Jordan 13 Court Purple. So, typical box, parang normal box na Air Jordan 13, always napupuna ko. Lagi siyang kulay gray. Pero yung previous Air Jordan 13 na na-coat ko, which is the Dirty Breads kung tawagin. So, it's a black box. But this time, gray na siya. Ito naman, nabili ko I think January nirelease to. Yeah, first week of January nirelease ang Court Purple. Eto, hindi siya ganun ka-hype, pero na-sold out siya, but inabot siya ng mga ilang days bago na-sold out. So, one of the iconic Jordan line series, not the colorways sinasabi ko, pero this is a retro one. So, and this is the first release na nag-release sila ng Court Purple. So, marami na rin nilirelease na Court Purple ang Jordan. So, meron na ring Air Jordan 3 Court Purple, meron Air Jordan 1. But this time, since 13 is one of my favorite, kaya ako kumuha ng pair ng Court Purple. So, titingnan nyo parang siyang pang babae, pero wearable sneaker tong Jordan 13. Whatever colorway it is, so napakaganda niyang suotin. So, let's talk about this shoe again. So, basically, with this black leather, as you can see, the normal black leather. Same with this, my 13 breads, yes, there you go. It's the same black leather here with the Jordan logo here. Ayan. And same thing with this reflective mesh. No, so typical na nakikita natin sa every Air Jordan 13. Ito, yung reflective mesh and the purple color, the suede at the bottom. And at the back, still the hologram and the Jumpman logo on the thumb. Ayan, napakagandang sapatos, napakagandang Jordan line series. Air Jordan 13. Ayan. So, yung sa previous video ko na meron akong kinop na Air Jordan 13 as well is the Flint. I think yung video ko na yun yung hinanap, nag-ayos ako sa garahe. So, doon ko pinakita yung Air Jordan 13 ko. So, maybe in I think total 13s I have here is 1, 2, 3. I got the He Got Game, and as well I got this Mellow Air Jordan 13 of Carmelo Anthony. Ayan. And the He Got Game, and as well as yun nga, yung Bread 13, the iconic one. Okay, so this is the He Got Game. So, na-feature sa movie na He Got Game. That's why they call it He Got Game. And another pair is another Air Jordan 13. This was released last week lang, guys. Okay, so this one is a retro. So, Air Jordan White University Red Gel Sole. Ayan. So, it's a like I'm not sure if it's red or yellow orange or yellow, but it's a nice shoe. Although it's white, to be honest, as much as possible, hindi na ako masyado kumukuha ng white, but because of this yellow thing, kaya na-decide din akong kumuha to get a pair. And excited na pretty sure I'm gonna rock this tonight on sa game namin. So may laro ulit kami sa Sutherland. So unfortunately last week nung ginamit ko yung in-unbox ko yung Air Jordan 36, and on that day on that night, so ginamit ko siyang palaro. So makita nyo rin sa video upload ko together with this. And mamaya I'm gonna rock this tonight. So, Air Jordan 13, the white and yellow colorway. Ayan. So, this time, hindi gumamit ng mesh material. It's a leather. White leather, but it's same. It's a suede, yellow. Compared dito sa light sa court purple. It's a suede as well. But, pinakaiba lang is yung kulay. Ayan. Same with the hologram and the Jumpman logo on the thumb. Sana nakikita nyo. Okay. So, that's all for now. And, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, feel free to subscribe. Kung any comments or suggestions, feel free then. So, I always take it positively. So, see you ulit sa mga next video ko, unboxing, and sa mga pag-try on or pag-review ko sa mga sneakers, sa mga sapatos. Salamat sa mga newly subscribers. Sa mga hindi pa, although hindi pa ganun kadami, less than 100 nga lang ang subscriber ko, pero nagpapasalamat pa rin ako. I still keep continuing uploading videos regarding sneakers and music. So, ayun lang, that's all for today. Because by 2 o'clock or 2:30 rather, I have to leave because kailangan ko rin sunduin yung daughter ko. But definitely tonight games, I'm gonna wrap this up tonight. I'll try to film na during the game, pero I don't think it's possible kasi wala akong kasama na mag-video unless dadalhin ko tong GoPro and yung stand. Kaya lang baka matamaan ng bola. So delikado. Yan. Well anyway, I tried to film like, because dun last video ko na naglaro ako sa 36, I tried to film it just using my phone. So medyo shaky siya kasi nagbabounce yung bola sa tabla, kaya nagsha-shake siya. So nag-film lang ako, nag-shooting ako habang di pa nag-start yung game namin. So I'm trying to do the same thing tonight. So yun lang, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa next video ko. And keep safe everyone, to all my family and friends back home. Mag-ingat pa rin tayo. Omicron, COVID is still existing. So hindi pa siya totally wala. And sa mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Pilipinas, keep bowling, especially sa Aldivar. So yun lang guys. Keep safe everyone and goodbye.